light. It's Ulanzi VL RGB light. This is the packaging. Stuff like that. And I'm about to unbox this thing right here. See that? That's this. I got two of them. See, that's one. And that's the other one. And then we're gonna unbox this one here. Okay, that's the tissue wrapping. Comes in the black box. You have the little paperwork here, the instructions. A little fresh. The charging cable. Put that little gift for us back in there, and the light. Okay. I'm gonna open it up. This is the light. I got two of them. Okay, so this is just part one. I have to charge it up. See, I'm letting y'all see. It's a quarter screw. You can put it on. You can mount it on the tripod. I don't know what this is on the top. I guess you can put the other one on the top. And on the back, this is the colors and temperature and all that. And this is the how you power it on and stuff. And that's the little charging port right there. Is USB C, I think. So yeah, that's it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and charge this thing up. Hold on, let me let y'all see. This is the little directions, you know. Put that back in the box. And I'm gonna put this is the charger. This is part one. And then part two, what I will do is I will let y'all see when I first turn it on and stuff like that. And this is just part one of the unboxing. Yeah, I paid for this, so I can say whatever I want because I paid for this. Ulanzi, here, the light, the portable mid-size RGB light, bigger than my hand. Hopefully it does what it says it's gonna do. Part one of the video is done. Okay, this is part two. This is the light. It's on. Let me see the instructions here. I don't know what that is. I guess that's the brightness. That might be the kelvins. Let's see, what's this? 1, 2. Let's see, we're messing with it. Oh, I don't know how to do the color thing here. Okay, hold on. I should be able to unplug this. Okay, I unplugged it. Oh boy. That's the color. Okay, that's the red. I mean the green. The red. Oh, that's the modes. It's switching on me. Alright, hold on. I'm going to cut the light out so you can get a better view of what it looks like. Okay. Okay. You click it again. See, it's going to the colors. That's not bad. That's not bad. Looks pretty decent in the room too. Do a little something with this. Okay, hold on. Let me switch that off. I don't know what that does. I guess that locks it. Goes. What do you think? It's pretty cool, huh? I can't wait to try this thing out. This was my unboxing of the Ulanzi light. This is part 2. This is the back of it. Hey, hold on, let me see if I can get it to blink and all that stuff. See, it's actually on. Oh, hold on here. Alright, let me switch. This goes. Okay, hold on. What in the world? Okay, hold on. Switch up. Switch it here. What in the world? These are the modes that it has on it. But you can do some pretty cool things with it. I know I gotta charge it up, but I'm just letting y'all see. And this is it in the box. This is the second one, but this is the first one. So we can do a couple of things with it. This is the Smooth One of Smooth One Productions, and I'm just letting y'all see that I did the unboxing of this right here from Ulanzi. What model is this? This is the VL10. I guess it's like a 10-inch tube light. RGB light. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Okay, Smooth One Productions, and I'm out of here.
Nowadays they just talk, but they talk about nothing. Nowadays everybody wanna say something. Goddamn.